In this aid, we will voice our own and the market's viewpoint on FET's future while examining the fetch.ai cost conjecture for 2023, and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like fetch.ai. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the fetch.ai value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that FET is a wise venture or not, for what reason will FET succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will fetch.ai value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is FET and its to-date history. The venture, there's a considerable amount of promotion around fetch.ai, that is without a doubt. Distributing a short and to some degree braggadocio's starting medium post back in 2018 which just said, "We're the world's most memorable brilliant record," was all that could possibly be needed to stimulate the minds of numerous crypto fans. Their minds were additionally tempted by a really impressive showcasing exertion that was made to advance the task since it initially sent off. Simply type in fetch.ai in YouTube, and you'll track down a few very much created recordings that market the task and endeavor to snare impossible financial backers. Moreover, the venture was highlighted on pages of standard distributions like The Message, The Financial Analyst, The Gatekeeper, Business Week by Week, and TechCrunch, which surely helped raise its public profile. And keeping in mind that the promotion is areas of strength for absolutely doesn't be guaranteed to make an interpretation of that well into genuine execution or venture. The undertaking is still distant from having a completely working item. They vowed to have a testnet prepared before the ICO. Said testnet was sent off with a slight postponement, just like the ICO. That doesn't need to amount to anything, as a lot of genuine undertakings marginally overshot their cutoff times and had rough beginnings to their crypto ventures. Fetch.ai made sense of their postponements, referring to the deteriorating economic situations, and want to set up the foundation appropriately as their primary justification for missing their set timetables. Fetch.ai innovation. The innovation side of the venture is where we get into the meat of the matter. Fetch.ai needs to make a cross-breed of blockchain and man-made intelligence innovations, one that would have the world's most memorable self-versatile and automatic decentralized record deal with individuals' exchanges. Their model is primarily partitioned into three components. Fetch.ai's brilliant record will be a blend of the conventional blockchain design and the DAG, direct acrylic diagram, innovation that was introduced by the Particle project. Many are contrasting it with Zilliqa on the premise that it will have sharding, not at all like conventional sharding. In Get's brilliant record, we have purported asset paths. An exchange might be relegated to a few unique paths at the same time. The framework will shard in a way like chain forking, where new paths can be made to dial down the strain on a jumbled exchange pool. Old paths will be eluded to by two new ones, making a DAG-like design that considers blockchain information consistency. Fetch.ai can frame an exchange block by alluding to the past block hashes and the gatherings that are characterized in the exchange's assets. Generally, it's a convoluted framework expecting to convey unmatched versatility, strength, valuable monetary work, and quality data which you can dive more deeply into by perusing their specialized white paper or their fetch.ai record yellow paper. Fetch.ai will use what they call helpful confirmation of work, a POW agreement system, which joins the components of POW, POS, and DAG. The DAG framework will consider any exchange substantial whenever it is affirmed by two hubs, leaving computational assets allowed to prepare the computer-based intelligence. Moreover, low-power hubs can procure blockchain compensations by approving low-esteem exchanges. They likewise ramble about AI and artificial intelligence, which will be vigorously highlighted in the whole convention. Strategies, for example, process mining, long momentary memory, and intermittent brain organizations will be incorporated into the convention to guarantee validness, ideal execution, and consider involved gatherings to trust the organization. Fetch.ai value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so on into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees us some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. 2023 03 to 10 plus 7.52% $, 0.4401. 2023 03 to 11 plus 10.27% $, 0.4513. 2023 03 to 12 plus 12.42% $, 0.4601. 2023 03 to 13 plus 7.62% $, 0.4404. 2023 03 to 14 plus 5.65% $, 0.4324. 2023 03 to 15 plus 2.27% $, 0.4185. 2023 03 to 16 plus 5.60% $, 0.4322. 2023 03 to 17 plus 8.37% $, 0.4435. 2023 03 to 18 plus 9.40% $, 0.4477. 2023 03 to 19 plus 8.45% $, 0.4439. 2023 03 to 20 plus 8.35% $, 0.4434. fetch.ai value forecasts 2023. High expansion and very perilous large-scale circumstance thought about vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inner crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will likely see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity, with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 April plus 18.80% $, 0.4862. 2023 May plus 35.82% $, 0.5559. 2023 June plus 44.64% $, 0.5920. 2023 July plus 43.20% $, 0.5861. 2023 August plus 60.62% $, 0.6574. 2023 September plus 61.62% $, 0.6615. 2023 October plus 68.96% $, 0.691.